Parrots are some of the most vibrant and intelligent birds in the animal kingdom, known for their captivating colors, social behaviors, and remarkable vocal abilities. While many people associate parrots with companionship in households around the world, their natural habitats are filled with stories of survival that highlight their adaptability and resilience. In the wild, parrots face numerous challenges including habitat loss, predation, and changing environmental conditions, yet they continue to thrive in diverse ecosystems, from tropical rainforests to arid scrublands. This essay explores the fascinating survival stories of parrots in the wild, emphasizing their unique adaptations, social structures, and the critical role they play in their ecosystems. Parrots belong to the order Psittaciformes, which includes over 393 species distributed across various regions, particularly in Central and South America, Australia, and parts of Africa and Asia. These birds are characterized by their strong, curved beaks, zygodactyl feet, and bright plumage. Their striking colors serve various purposes, from attracting mates to camouflaging against predators. In the wild, parrots are not only beautiful but also highly adaptable creatures. Many species have developed specialized feeding habits, often depending on fruits, seeds, nuts, and flowers that are abundant in their environments. Some parrots, like the key of New Zealand, have even learned to exploit human resources, showcasing their intelligence and resourcefulness. One of the most compelling survival stories of parrots in the wild involves their social structures and flocking behavior. Parrots are highly social animals, often living in flocks that provide safety in numbers. This communal living offers significant advantages, particularly in evading predators. For example, when a flock of budgerigars takes to the skies, they engage in intricate aerial maneuvers, confusing potential threats. The collective vigilance of a flock also enhances the detection of predators, as individuals can alert each other to danger. These social dynamics are critical in the survival of many parrot species, allowing them to thrive even in challenging environments. In the dense rainforests of the Amazon, the blue and yellow macaw is an excellent example of how parrots have adapted to their habitats. These large birds feed primarily on fruits and nuts, which they crack open using their powerful beaks. The macaw's bright plumage provides camouflage among the vibrant colors of the rainforest, helping it evade predators like hawks and snakes. However, their survival is not solely dependent on physical adaptations. The blue and yellow macaw is known for its complex social behavior, often seen interacting with other macaws and species within their environment. This social network allows them to share information about food sources and potential dangers, enhancing their chances of survival. Another fascinating aspect of parrot survival is their nesting behavior. Many parrot species, including the African gray parrot, prefer to nest in tree cavities, which offer protection from predators and environmental elements. The selection of nesting sites is critical. It often determines the success of their offspring. In some cases, parrots will even engage in communal nesting, where multiple pairs may use the same tree. This strategy not only provides safety in numbers but also allows for the sharing of parental duties, ensuring that the young birds receive adequate care and protection during their vulnerable early stages of life. The ability of parrots to communicate is also integral to their survival. Parrots use a complex system of vocalizations to convey different messages, from warning calls to mating calls. Their ability to mimic sounds, including those of other animals and even human speech, can be an effective survival tactic. For example, a parrot mimicking the call of a predator might deter other birds from entering its territory, allowing it to secure food resources without competition. Furthermore, vocal communication strengthens social bonds within flocks, facilitating cooperation during foraging and enhancing group cohesion. While parrots are well adapted to their environments, they face significant threats that challenge their survival. Habitat destruction due to deforestation and human encroachment poses one of the most severe risks to wild parrot populations. As forests are cleared for agriculture or urban development, parrots lose vital nesting sites and food sources. The Spix's macaw, native to Brazil, serves as a poignant example of this issue. Once abundant in its natural habitat, The Spix's macaw is now critically endangered, primarily due to habitat loss and trapping for the pet trade. Conservation efforts are underway to reintroduce the species into the wild, highlighting the importance of habitat preservation for the survival of parrots and other wildlife. In addition to habitat loss, parrots also contend with the challenges posed by climate change. As global temperatures rise and weather patterns become increasingly unpredictable, the availability of food and suitable nesting sites is affected. Some parrot species may find it difficult to adapt quickly enough to these changes, leading to declines in their populations. The rainbow lorikeet, for example, has been observed to alter its feeding habits in response to shifts in floral availability due to climate change. This adaptability showcases the resilience of parrots, but it also underscores the urgency of addressing environmental issues to ensure their continued survival. Conservation efforts play a crucial role in protecting wild parrot populations and their habitats. Organizations around the world are working tirelessly to promote awareness, implement breeding programs, and restore natural habitats. The conservation of parrot species often involves collaboration with local communities, emphasizing the importance of sustainable practices that benefit both wildlife and human populations. For instance, community-led initiatives in Central and South America focus on reforestation and sustainable agriculture, providing both ecological benefits and economic opportunities for local people. By engaging communities in conservation efforts, the survival of parrots is closely tied to the well-being of the people who share their environment. Success stories in parrot conservation offer hope and inspiration for the future. The recovery of the kakapo, a flightless parrot from New Zealand, is a testament to dedicated conservation efforts. Once on the brink of extinction, the kakapo population has slowly increased due to intensive breeding and habitat protection measures. These efforts underscore the importance of targeted conservation strategies, which can lead to the revival of species that were once thought to be lost forever. Similarly, the reintroduction of the California condor, while not a parrot, demonstrates the potential for species recovery when proactive measures are taken. Such initiatives highlight that while challenges abound, dedicated conservation work can lead to remarkable outcomes. In summary, parrots in the wild exhibit incredible survival stories that showcase their adaptability, intelligence, and social complexity. From their vibrant plumage that offers camouflage to their intricate social structures that enhance group survival, these birds have evolved remarkable traits to thrive in diverse environments. However, they also face significant challenges, including habitat loss and climate change, which threaten their existence. Through conservation efforts and community engagement, there is hope for the continued survival of parrot species around the world. As we learn more about these fascinating creatures and their roles in ecosystems, it becomes increasingly clear that preserving their habitats and ensuring their survival is not only essential for the parrots themselves, but also for the health of our planet.